The question we asked ourselves was, how can we simplify pressing and joining applications in a factory automation context? The Smart Function Kit for pressing. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm the product owner for the Smart Function Kit, a product portfolio that belongs to our solutions platform, Smart Mechatronics. We took our mechanical know-how, combined it with automation hardware, and developed around these components an intuitive user interface to create a solution that saves engineering and commissioning times. The application area is hugely diverse. You can use the Smart Function Kit for pressing, joining, forming, crimping and testing applications. We offer a force range from 2 to 30 kN with a freely configurable stroke from 35 up to 400 mm. Commissioning is easier than ever before, thanks to a previous auto-parameterization of the drives. Simple integration into a higher level machine infrastructure thanks to several Fieldbus protocols, including the respective building blocks. Program creation is faster than ever before, thanks to our easy drag-and-drop process configuration. If you need more information, just click on our website and watch out for our upcoming Smart Mechatronics videos.